Who's to say that your own ideas are not references? I'm here to show you how to create your own references in Typed. When you're working on a document, sometimes you get epiphanies and rushes of ideas just flowing through. Perhaps create a sub-Google Doc, slide or sheet, or a simple memo within the main documents library where you can jot down anything that comes to mind. These can also be used to branch documents, where let's say for example, the original document is part 1, the branch document is part 2. When you create a sub-document within the main document, such as this one, the sub-document will only be accessible through a main document. But if you want to have access to the sub-documents and give them their individuality, click on the See More button, and you will see the option to Add to Project. What this does is, brings it out to the project, allowing direct access. Just keep a mental note of the difference between main documents and sub-documents, and these will be easier to grasp. Now that you have all these references, it's important that you manage them to prevent a repeat of the past. Let's manage references in the next video. See you there.